Hello everyone, my name is Helen and I am engaged and expecting to be married. Because of COVID, I waited about 100 years and I'm still waiting. This is how I look currently. Right, I hope I don't have to wait that long. My wedding was actually postponed. It was gonna be next month, November 6th, 2020, but because of COVID, it turns out it's gonna be February now. Anyways, I wanted to embrace the Halloween spirit in my channel in a way that is not weird, because I've been talking about a lot about wedding, bride, getting married, DIYs, and I just thought if I just jump right into another DIY, it's gonna be crazy and non-relevant. So I decided to make like a dead bride zombie ghost idea, and it turned out pretty okay. You tell me. Stick around if you wanna know how I made this. FYI, this is my real engagement ring. I think that just closed the look and it looks really spooky, but as I said, I really wanted to embrace the Halloween spirit in my channel as well as bridal. My name is Helen, I'm a Mexican traveler living in Ireland at the moment. If you would like to see a lot of bridal DIYs and my journey to get married, please subscribe, it would be great. Also, I want to mention that I was doing like a quotes series and I still love quotes, so I decided to incorporate that into this video. I hope you don't mind. So it's like a makeup tutorial, bridal edition and quotes. So it's 3 in 1. I definitely hope you enjoyed and yeah, feel the spirit of Halloween. I must go and start the tutorial. So we're gonna start the look. I done my basic like eyebrows for handiness. First of all, I'm gonna be using this PS brand Fry Club as a base. I feel like I need to be really white, really dead looking. So that's the first step. They say here in Ireland, I'm just winging it. I'm just trying to see what this is gonna look like. I have no idea. This Halloween is definitely gonna be so different because we cannot go anywhere. For the under eyes, I'm gonna use like kind of like a gray purple. I'm using this really nice eyeshadow by Bisou, which is a Mexican brand. So I'm gonna start with doing kind of like a bruise under my eye, and let's see how this looks. I need kind of like a guideline, so I'm gonna go with my eyeliner at this point. I'm gonna pin my hair back. I forgot to do it. It's not like I have any fancy hairstyles, but I'll try to finish this eye just with purples and greens and browns, and when it's done, then I can start with the first quote. Alright guys, I have the half done and I'm looking as dead as it could be. It's kind of like a massive bruise. It's kind of weird to see yourself like this. While I'm blending, I'm gonna start with the first quote. The first bridal quote is, "Tradition is a guide and not a jailer." while I blend my makeup, I'll give my thoughts on this. I think that couldn't be more true. I mean, traditions are beautiful. When it comes to wedding, kind of like everyone expects you to do what's normal and you have to just follow the traditions. But this quote kind of like opens your eye and lets you know tradition is just a guide, meaning that you can always be part of it if you wish. However, you don't have to. And this is very relieving because times change constantly, and I think it's very wise to do what you feel right with. If there's a tradition that you don't really want to empower or like celebrate, you don't really have to. It's a very special day. It's your day. Don't plan it according to everyone else's expectations, because let me tell you, during my journey I have learned a lot of things. Like my mind changed like crazy if I think about the beginning, the ideas that I had and what I think now. It's just totally different. I feel like I'm learning as I go, which is great. It's just so different about this. I mean, the thing about this makeup though is that you can always get it wrong and just fix it. There's not really like a guideline, just like that quote. It's just a guide, not that it has to be that way. I feel like really deep lips would help a lot to elevate the makeup look. I'm adding, I don't have fake blood, but I realized my red food coloring would do just fine, and that's what I'm going with, kind of like, you know, to make it realistic. I hope this is easy to take off. Oh wow, that looks incredible. Wow, this effect is really cool. I actually really like it. Right, perfect. Since we have the redness, I feel like it'd be really smart to just add more redness around it, since it looks like blood or so. So for the pretty side, we're gonna do like an actual nice eye look, like if it was what I was wearing on the wedding day. I'm just gonna use my finger to make it really sparkly. So this side is meant to be like an actual nice bridal makeup look. Right, at this point I'm gonna say the second quote. Stop saying that marriage is just a piece of paper. So it's money, but you still get up every day and work hard for it. Whew. Wow. I mean, I love this quote, love it, because I think exactly that. To me, this quote is really sensitive. It's like a blood tie you can undo, and this is really what I want to personally, me, my opinion, what I want to have when I marry Keith. I want to not just be a piece of paper, but something you work hard every day. Just like money. Money is a piece of paper, and that's a great example. I feel like it changes your mindset, and I hope if you get married, you're sure about it. That's the bottom line. I'm gonna add blood like falling off, kinda. Maybe see how it's falling. Wow, okay. No, you can stop there. Oh, wow, okay. I just decided last minute to do something that I seen in a picture, really cool. I am gonna add my actual engagement ring to my makeup and wish me luck because I actually have no idea how to do this. I'm gonna use my eyelash glue. Ah! Whoa! Yep. And I'm gonna put some, just toilet. Ah, here we go, before it dries. Smells terrible, but it'll be worth it. I'm gonna add some glue in the bottom, as you can see. Yeah, and seal it. And keep going with the skin color thingy. Full of light. Okay guys, this is the lashes. I kind of put this one dead in purpose, but I don't know if it looks silly. Like, will I just fix it? Okay, I leave it kind of like in between. I am gonna do my hair and say the last quote. The quote is simple and it goes: "It will never be perfect, make it work." This goes for all the brides that are overstressed about details. I recently listened to the Bride Chilla manual and it changed my whole perspective. In one chapter, I listened Alicia McCormack, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, saying how it's not healthy as a bride to overstress in little details. If you're going ahead with your day and let's say the napkins doesn't have the initials in the corner, do not go crazy about this. The day is gonna still go on with or without the napkins, and so just be chill about it. If you are ahead of yourself and think already it's not gonna go perfect, you won't get any disappointment. And that's how my mentality has been. It has changed a lot. At first I was overstressed thinking about every detail, and then you notice how much money goes into things and how much time that is not that worth it. I mean, it's a day that at the end you and your loved one are there. It's gonna mean everything. So let me do the hairstyle for the look and call it a day. Very loose plait, you can barely see it, and I'm like shaking my hair, making it really puffy. Oh god, yeah. And I'm gonna add the veil. I think I'm gonna throw on my wedding dress and veil and see what happens. Hey, this is Helen from the future. I'm sorry, I realized I did not record an outro, so just enjoy me saying thank you for watching this video while you see strange footage of me. It's really, really creepy. I hope you really enjoy this. It was a weird mix, but I hope it inspires you just to be creative as usual. Thank you so much for watching, it means a lot. and I hope you have great spooky holidays. Stay safe and see you later, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Am I too late to the wedding? All I wanted was to get married.